And it's Ken Kreitzer, the WCBS Small Business Breakfast. I have a chance to talk with Mitchell Modell, who is one of the speakers at the event today. And Mitchell, one of the points you made that the audience really appreciated was the importance of looking through your customer's lens, how the customer views the store, how the customer views the merchandise. Why have you found that to be so important?
Because at the end of the day, the customer is the only one that could fire me and everybody else in the company by not showing up. And the only reason why they're not showing up is we didn't serve them better than my competitor. So we have 10 core values, and the last value, which is part of the acronym perfection, N, it's the needs of the customer is the focus of everything we do. It's all about the customer. And if we serve the customer better than my competitors, we remain in business. If someone serves them better than me, we'll be extinct. It's very simple.
And you talked about the importance of community involvement, outreach to community organizations to bring them into the store to serve their needs. Why have you found that so important in your business?
Because as a family business, as a regional company, we feel that being part of the DNA of every company, of every store that we serve and every community that we serve, we've got to feel part of the community. They got to feel like we're local. We want to make sure our manager lives in the area so the kids, if they play ball, they know the local kids, they know what the local colors are. We become relevant in that area. As a national footprint, it's one-stop shop. You know, it's like one broom cleans everything. We try to treat every store as though we only have one store in the company. We do it by assortments, we do it by our associates, we do it by how we play in the market. And when you do that, you become, it's like we're the original Army and Navy store that were fighting the big guys. We became the Army and Navy store that's no longer in play. They're extinct. And so that we moved up the food chain, and we're now up against the Dick's Sporting Goods and the Monster chains. We now have to make sure that we can deliver, A, we buy as good as anybody, continue to give them phenomenal value, and give them a service level where they really feel like they're treated like a guest in our own home.
And you mentioned that you're making a major effort online to build a very attractive website experience for your customer with rich content. Why do you find that important, and how do you think that'll be viewed by your customers?
Because as the customers get younger and as they get older, everyone's growing up with the computers. My kids, 13 and 14, they didn't read the newspapers. They go online, they watch ESPN Sports. They go on the New York Times page to get their news. So technology is changing at a rapid pace, and you got to keep up with technology and make sure that you're totally relevant.
Mitch Modell, great to see you here at the WCBS Business Breakfast in Tarrytown.
Great. We had a ball. We had a great time with Cindy and Stu, and we hope that people walked away with some good take-home value.
Our pleasure. Ken Kreitzer for CBSI Services.